What's going on, y'all? We about to do some butter poached shrimp today, and it's gonna be real good. So first thing we need to do, we need to go ahead and rain on it, hit it with a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Give that a quick mix. We're gonna add in a whole stick of butter to a small cast iron pan, and then add in our veg, which is bell pepper, onion, garlic, and celery. Then we gonna add in our juicy shrimp, y'all. Give that a mix while it's cooking. In about 3 minutes, you got a beautiful cooked shrimp right there. Now I had mine straight over potato, poured that butter and everything in. And look at that bite, y'all. So tasty, y'all. So tasty.